Hey everyone! I just tried out the rain cloud humidifier and I'm in love. If you're someone who loves to listen to white noise or rain sounds to fall asleep, but hate to wear headphones all night, then this humidifier with soothing LED lights is the perfect solution for you. Not only does it create the perfect rain noise atmosphere to help you relax and fall asleep more easily, but it also moisturizes the air, improving indoor air quality, making it easier for you to breathe and sleep comfortably. Plus, with the soothing LED light that come in any color of choice, you can create a calming atmosphere that's perfect for winding down before bed. And if the light is too bright or you just don't need it while you sleep, you can easily turn it off. It's compact enough to place on your nightstand or bedside table, making it extremely convenient to use. And the added tray for essential oils is a bonus, allowing you to customize the scent and therapeutic benefits to your liking. Overall, the rain cloud humidifier with soothing LED lights is a must-have for anyone looking to achieve a better night rest. If you're ready to say goodbye to dry air and hello to a more comfortable sleep experience, then give this humidifier a try. You won't be disappointed.